Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 9 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 9 math, and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter trigonometry. The lessons we're going to cover today are trigonometric ratios, find a side length, trigonometric ratios, find an angle measure, solve a right triangle. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Here I am on grade 9 math. Chapter we are on right now is trigonometry. Let's just start with the lesson that is trigonometric ratios. Finally, find the side length. Find IK. So we need to find the side length of IK. Angle K is 59 degrees. So we have to find cos 59 degrees, that is IK divided by JK. JK is 7. We need to find IK, so IK equals 7 times cos 59. That is 3.6. Let's just start with the test questions. Find HI. So we need to find the side length HI. We can go for cos 46 degrees. Cos 46 is HI divided by, that would be HI divided by IJ. So we are given IJ is HI divided by 7 cos 46. So HI equals 7 cos 46. Cos 46 is 0.694. 0.694 times 7. So that equals 4.9. So option number 2 is the correct option. That is 4.9. Find ik. Ik we need to find. So we can go for cos 59 degrees equal ik divided by jk. Ik equals 7 cos 59. So cos 59 is 0.515 times 7. That would be 0. Sorry, cos 59 is 0.515 times 7. That would be 3.6. Option number 3 is the correct option. Find HJ. HJ. So we can go for cos 42. No, we need to find. We can go for sine 42. Sine 42 degrees equals, no, that would be cos 42. Cos 42 equals HJ. HJ divided by Ji is 3. That would be 3 cos 42 equals HJ. So cos 42 is cos 42 is 0.999. So 3 times 0.999 equals 2 point. Hold on. 2.2, but here we are not given with 2.2 actually. Oh yes, that's option number 2. So 3 cos 42 equals 2.2. Option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? The correct option is option number 2. Find QR. QR. That would be sine 49 equals QR divided by 8. QR equals 8 times sine 49. Sine 49 times 8. Sine 49 is 0.156 times 8. Hold on. Sine okay, that is 6.0. Option number 1 is the correct option. Find HI. Sine 24. Yes, that is sine. Sine 24 is equal to HI divided by 5. HI equals 5 times sine 24. Sine 24 equals 0.406. 0.406 times 5. That equals 2.0. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Trigonometric ratios find an angle Meyer. Find measurement of angle B. We need to find the measurement of angle B, right? So cos V equals adjacent divided by hypotenuse, that would be 2 over 3. So we have to calculate cos inverse of angle. So cos inverse of 0.6 is equal to 48.1. That is 48.2 degrees. Let's just start with the test questions. Find measurement of angle A. So we need to find the measurement of angle A. We can go for sine of angle A. It would be adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So 7 over 8 equals 0.875. So we need to calculate sine inverse of 0.875. So sine inverse of 0.875 is equal to 61 degrees. So the correct option is 61. Option number 2 is the correct option. That would be 61 degrees. Find measurement of angle H. We can go for cos of angle H. That is 4 over 6. That is 4 over 6. So we need to calculate cos inverse of 4 over 6. So cos inverse 4, 4 divided by 6 is equal to 0.666. Now we need to calculate cos inverse of 0.666, that equals 48.2 degrees. So we have to calculate 0.666, that equals 48.2 degrees. That is 48.2. Option number 2 is the correct option. Find measurement of angle K. That would be sine of angle K equals 9 over 10. Angle K equals sine inverse of 9 over 10. 9 divided by 10 is 0.9. So we need to calculate sine inverse of 0.9. That equals 64.2 degrees. The correct option is option number 2, 64.2 degrees. Find measurement of angle V. So we have to calculate sine of angle V. That would be 4 over 9. That is 0.444. So we have to calculate sine inverse of 0.444. That equals 26.4. So option number 2 is the correct option. That is 26.4. Measurement of angle Q. Cos of angle Q is 6 over 8. 0.75. So cos inverse, sorry, cos inverse of 0.75 is 41.4 degrees. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 41.4. Cos of angle V equals 2/3. So cos inverse of 0.666 equals 48.2. Option number 2 is the correct option. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just next lesson. Solve a right triangle. Let's just start with the next lesson. Solve the right triangle. We need to find the missing sides and angles, right? So first thing is we're going to start with sine E equals CD divided by DE. CD we need to find and DE is given 7. So we can do CD equals 7 times sine 46. So CD equals 5. So now use Pythagorean theorem to find the other side length, that is CE. So Pythagorean theorem is CE square equals CD square equals DE square. So CE equals 4.9. Now we can find the angle D. So angle D plus angle E equals 90 degrees. So angle D is 44 degrees. Let's just start with the test questions. Solve the right triangle. So the first thing we are going to find is the angle, right? We are given the angle D is 90 degrees, angle B is 63. So angle C equals 180 degrees minus 90 minus 63. So 90 minus 63 equals 27 degrees. So the missing angle is 27. Now we need to find the other side length, right? Cos of angle 63 degree equals dB divided by 9. dB equals 9 cos 63. So cos 63 equals 0.45. So 0.45, 9 is equal to 4.0. So dB 4.0. Now we can use Pythagorean theorem to find the other two side lengths, but we are not given any answer here. The first thing angle must be 27. What is this? Question is different, answer is different. So basically, this is what we have to do. The first thing is we need to find the angle. The sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So 180 degree minus 90 minus 63 equals 27 degrees, right? So now we have used cos 63 equals dB over 9. So dB equals 9 times cos 63. So dB equals 4.0. Now we can find DC by using the Pythagorean theorem. So CB square equals DB square plus CD square. We need to find CD. 9 square equals 4 square plus CD square equals 81 minus 16. 81 minus 16 is 65 degrees. 65. So CD equals 65 is equal to CD square. CD is square root 65. So square root 65 equals 8.06. So this is what we have to do. So that's how you have to solve the triangle, right? Okay, so we were working on grade 9 math. The chapter we were working on is trigonometry. The lessons we have covered today are trigonometric ratios find the sine length, trigonometric ratios find the angle measure, and solve a right triangle. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lessons, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. You can write them down in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So, any questions, you can please ask if you have any. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.